clean, still dirty, mama in. Brittany!
Come in my rock shop.
No man, so right man. Bend up pretty for man, watch out. Game? No man, Brittany not going good. Brittany! No man, Brittany there, mama, she got. Brittany! Look at that! Hello. Oh, where you there, son? Eh? Where you there, son?
Me a text snap daddy.
You see how down the house there?
Hold on the
You wash plate, you prep bed, you do nothing, you don't for morning. Suppose if you say no go when your auntie them go see, eh? At that them are gonna call me and tell me no say everything you use, you left it dirty and also then there's something there. You understand? You're a big girl now, you're 18 years old, you're out school. Brittany, need to do better, Brittany. You understand?
But me never feel good, daddy.
Feel good, you see the place where you're there. If you clean, cleanliness is godliness. I mean I try put in there but you're not learn. Hey, world normal, you know. What's something happen? But me not do that. How you gonna survive out there? Eh? How you gonna survive? Because right now you can't have to manage yourself. You need to do this better, man. Yo, go down and clean it. Go down and clean it. Go down and clean it. Okay. I don't feel me that after this. See me. What is that? What is that? You're done? You know, say, I didn't think that I run from. I run from them things that are so hard. That's to make sure to provide everything you need to make you reach yourself. You know what that look like? Hmm? Brittany, what is this, Brittany? What is this, Brittany? Yeah, let me lose it in Brittany. You know how hard it is to do a 9 to 5 and still have a mental pressure. Eh? And plus you are going to make it worse for me, you know? You no matter how much try to guide it on the right path, to make it up on the straight and narrow road, you find the corners and the cribbles and the lane them. Eh? What I say? This can't happen in my place. I don't know where I go with it, but the thing are coming, you know what it's reminds me of? Your mother, your workplace mother. You want to say like your mother? Hmm? Answer me now. You want to say like your mother? You come like, yo, it's 2 hours a one enough. Hey, you try to remember to play them before wash up now. Oh.
Brittany! 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 Brittany!
Brittany. Brittany. What happened to you? What are you doing? So what?
Mommy,
What happened to you?
daddy up there cousin and something that says to me, start crying and come down here.
Your father really there? What many way? I run me, I come run and come look for you and say me I come get a check. Coming off the dip on the people in place. You understand me? So everything good with you, the whole school and sitting.
Mommy done school now.
Done school?
Yeah.
I saw time fly, Pitney. Time fly, man. Me never did know say time fly so fast, man. Just try hold your head up, you know, and keep your foot down. Me know say you no look a young girl going like you know want boyfriend early, you know. Me know say you no look a young girl have a little boyfriend. Me no see her talk and I go on like you have money. What boy you little boyfriend? Tell me, man, cause you can't talk to me.
Yeah, me have one boyfriend in school. Daddy don't know.
And before you go even no further, Miss Ma'am, you not have sex?
We not start yet because me myself don't know nothing about them things there. So we not start it or anything.
Me know say you didn't tell about it, you know. But hear what me I say. Even if you reach to that, please me they beg you. Make sure say you use a condom. You understand me? I mean I really indulge more in mind and not think about man. You understand? Because right now you have to think about yourself first and higher esteem you have to think about. Think about them man because you know see what them do to them young. You know look at your eyeball. Look out your eyeball and see what them do to them little young girl. A disease, all sort of sitting. Breed them left them at the left upon them mother, father, everybody have to jump in and help. Them not help. You understand? So you have to know yourself. You hear me? Okay.
How about this shit? You still not watching my plate them? No, sir. Still look again like it from back to
Anyway, I get one little phone now. So I can give you my number so you can link me up. You understand? Cause you understand? Things are going bright for me you know.
What's here?
Christ.
Miss Sissy, are you sure you can with you now? Brittany, you still have to play them up there, Brittany? Brittany, you still have to play them up there, Brittany?
What this man?
Where are you today? What bring you here? What bring you here today? All of a sudden just pop up out of nowhere.
Mister, one reason why I'm there for your property, you know. And that's because I'm a daughter, you know, and I love and you don't understand, you know. I say that you make all of this, you know. You think say nothing, I can look over your place? I don't want nothing for thief, I don't want nothing, I don't beg you nothing. And Brittany make me there.
Brittany make
and
you
my
there.
daughter.
If you did one there, that day, you love the street more than your daughter. If you did one there, you would have there. A party and a floss and all of that, something that you pick over your daughter. Are you cause everything? You cause everything.
Cause what? Cause what?
She a galang so, she a behave so, and now do what she fi do. You understand? And because me no lick Pitney, you know, I prefer discipline them and send them somewhere else go live, you know. Yo, you're gonna make me just send out of the place, you know. Just continue to test my faith, you know. Yo, go on where you go. Brittany, go wash your plate. Last time I tell her, go on where you go, me say. Brittany, go wash your plate. Go wash your plate, Brittany. Watch out. Hey, alright, just lick you with that piece of, hey. Sure. Yeah, man.
Well, I'm just can't bother this right now. Daddy has stressed me too much. Madam did it wrong, my mother. Can't take daddy no more. And I'm just can't bother. Right now I come out and I can't take it no more. Just can't take it no more. Just I'm sick and tired of it. Look if you don't see Insta act up. When I was wrong with him, just can't take it no more. I'm out of here. Can't take this no more.
So I plan for tonight, baby.
Just carry back anyway.
I know, baby. I want to say, a long time I link though. I said, I can't go on Fiji night. I say,
Well, me never, ready and things. But I wonder if I could have wait. No, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready.
wait for me, baby. Look how long me I talk. I'm never cheap on you. I have to about wait, target you. From me, I never do nothing for disrespect you or make you feel uncomfortable. But always do the feel. Look there, as you calm me there, you fool. See, you must can't make a general feel nice in the night. You must can't give me a play. What say? Can't go on.
Travis, if you really, really love me and care about me, you must can't wait.
Well, honestly, I don't understand. I don't know why I'm supposed to wait after me do everything what I'm supposed to do. You see me? So, I don't see the reason why I'm supposed to wait right now. To me, so it seems like you're trying to say, oh, I'm not good enough. You see me? That's how you make me feel, right?
Travis, no, not like that. Me a virgin.
Oh.
So, I'm kind of scared to do it. I understand.
I say, never know. You see me? But, don't for yourself, yeah. Maybe change. You see me? Oh, I'm going to leave your song with something. Let's see, I'm going to for yourself.
Daddy run out and when they have nowhere to stay, so we come here so and they ask them probably could have stayed here for the night. Seriously, girl, your father run you out of the house, them a time of night, yeah? Don't sit down and look right, yo. Zaffa, come in, because time late. You shouldn't have on the road in time now. Come. So late to wake up, girl. Gosh. I just 10 o'clock. Girl, 10 o'clock late. Me I'll wash clothes and put on the line almost dry. Gosh. So, you eat it? Well, me I want snacks in my bag when me eat, but would I eat something else, yes?
Alright then, if you want something to eat, you can go in the fridge, go look more or something.
Alright then.
Oi, wait there, come here. Hey, remember, so we need to talk about what happened last night, because you don't understand why your father would have run out of your house in the late night. You know why. So when you finish eat, just remember, so we have to talk. Here?
Alright.
Alright. Girl, I can't believe your father do something like that. Run you out of your house in the middle of the night. No, we need to get to the bottom of this. We need to do something about this. I don't have a problem with you staying here, no, but we need to know why your father run you out of your house.
Alright, let me tell you about it. Let me tell you what. Let me tell you. My father see one video in my phone, right? When me a wind up on one boy, you know them thing there something. That not really happen with the video or anything, nothing wrong. You not see like saying see me in a naked clothes or anything. Alright, so after that now, you see the video on my phone, you start make up be nice and one bag of something, so I walk off because I couldn't take it. I thought be things so my mother and something, so I couldn't take it, so you know walk off and things. So after that now, later down, my mother come look for me. So me and her the one place. Something I talk, I see my father show up. Start disrespect my mother and I run her out her place or something, but she come out her yard and one bag of something. So me have to really look into myself and say, I must see my father really do in front of his own daughter face. So I said, no. You run my mother out her place or something. My mother gone. And at the night now, me there on the bed lie down. My father just walk in, come drag her sheet off of me, and I tell him to come out and place. He watch me, I pop the bag. And me thinking they tell me say, if you pack up my clothes then when me I go anything, he just watch me pack the bag and tell me to go on out and place. And I me that just me end up down here. Never know say my father would have do that. Never know say he would have do that.
Girl, it don't matter. You just turn 18 now, you fend for yourself, you find food to eat and then something the girl. Can't work, girl, it can't work, man. We need to go down to the station right now. Man. Oh, we can't go down there like this. We need to find something with sleep, so I go for my sweater.
We have something to do with night on important, so you know it take me around 10 or 15 minutes. So I meet her down at the police station, so you can just go and let me if you come down there. Here?
Brittany, make sure you not play with me, you know. Make sure you not play with me because this is pretty crucial. Make sure you meet me down at the station. Alright.
You know, say God know man right now. You better just come out of me and go and buy your business, you know. God know, cause after I see a young man turn around the road when I yo, you better just go on here, man. You see me? Don't touch me, say just go on your ways, brother. Just go on your ways, you see it? Cause I can't believe you do me that you. God know, you a fall person, you never expect you to do that, you see me?
Travis, you know, so never mean nothing by it. I not tell you no lie. I not even know how it happened, it just happened. You just pushing tongue in my mouth. I mean nothing by it.
I can't tell me say that no mean nothing you.
I just want a little kiss. You don't mean nothing.
Yo, you're lucky, you know. Can you say for there a certain man, your face tear off already? That, yo, you're lucky you can't come stand up in me and chat to me. You see me? You better just go away.
Travis, look for me now. You remember say, you did say we want a break, not true?
Alright, Stacey. You're all going. Just give me a little space, man. Let me just process this whole thing, cause you see right now, me not think straight right now, you see me? Because I just never expect you to do that, you see it? So just give me a little space. That's all me ask, alright?
Alright, Travis. I'll give you space, I can think about you here. I'll check you back later here. Or I call you. I can call you later. You just want you get the time to think about things here.
Yeah, I just need to process this whole thing, you see me?
I'll call you later, you go answer me.
You never might know.
Can I get a hug before I go?
Just go on the stage, just go on, man. Yeah, soapy. Yeah, my Jenna, you don't see my daughter pass or so?
No, dear from man, I know something to say.
Yo, alright. If I see them, I look for you and can't find her, you know.
You don't know if you see her?
Yeah.
I'm going to link you.
Alright, brother. Yo, me get one nice soup, them, I hear? Alright, enough respect. Yeah, man.
I can't call now to get Brittany no father number. Oh,
Hello? Miss Anja, you don't see Brittany come around and untall. For yesterday, man, you don't see her in untall. Alright, no problem. Now, James, where are you going, brother? You don't see Brittany, yo. You don't see Brittany? Hey, Brittany could have there. Come here. Brittany come around yesterday? No. She did with her mother there, by the way, man. So I'm not so food her right now. I'll call her.
Travis! 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 Travis!
I'm going to call Travis phone and now get there.
Travis!
How would that call? What we have? How Brittany that? How Brittany find me out? No, sir. How Brittany find me out now? Brittany, how you doing, sir? How you even find upon me live?
I must say it, I say I white hall I live. I just come a white hall and show some people a picture and they say, yeah, right, I say you live.
You didn't even call me and tell me say you're forward. I want me.
You see, you had to drop me off last night. Well, I never did some live, and my girlfriend lived there with us, so I stay there for the night and things, so listen, I'm forward over here. So you know, let me in.
Yeah, man, I can come here, man.
So which part to carry this?
You know what I'm saying? Earlier I may drive and I swing out of one dog and just licking at one patrol, all like front end mash up. So I have to leave here, but
So you see, I live.
yeah, man, base this one. Not too bossy still no, but yeah, I try to work to set it up one thing, man. Mine's this one, is it? Yeah.
So one kind of just scare me here so last night more than we go to guest house.
God know be place not too safe in the night, you know. You see me? They want to come around and say with them hours and night, you see me? So I just say, oh, let's bring you up by guest house, man. And worse, want you feel comfortable, you see me? Yeah. So, be how long you plan to stay because nobody expects you to forward and everything, you see me? And me calling some people to go work on your house and things, you see me? So, just, how long you plan to stay?
So Travis, suppose we want to stay here for a little while. Yeah, Travis say you can't stay here or something for 1 week or a couple days.
No, be. I never say you can't stay, but you just show up unexpected when things are going and mama say me tell us some people are going to work on it or something. You see me? You know, say the place stay, place want to set up one thing, but if there's somewhere you want to stay, you can find somewhere for you to stay.
So, you can't stay here for the night.
Maybe, of course. Can't stay for the night, man. Cook something up and dumpling and make it get food and eat. I wonder if I look again and say leak off already. You have man worried in that place. Yo. Hello.
I'm ready for this. She come here late last night and she say you run her out of her house.
What you talking about? Me run out data? Me run out no data. So where she run there?
No, she down there here. Me and she need to meet up in the town. But we don't know which part she gone.
So she left and not tell her where she go? Alright. If anything me call about, we just get me together, yeah.
Look how long me tell about my business, eh? Look how long me tell you say me want the ear, eh? I can't talk about little bit of here. God knows me can't bother with you, you know, Kyle. Me can't bother with you. 2 or 3 months me tell about my thing, you know. You're supposed to save and put down money for me something, you know. John, you see all you? You see if I win some woman, you get burnt till you're weak.
Yes, remember say food me have to buy, you know, man. The bill them have to pay, you know, man. And I like say now get here, you know. Just can't buy the one right now. Because we have bills power with. Them baby.
Imagine, me of all person, you came here go embarrass me, eh? You know you make me feel shame up a stage a while ago. Jesus Christ, you know them the girl up there, so you know. When they don't take for me name and go scandal, so me man can me come a shop fi buy expensive ear and can't pay for it.
Remember so we have one little kids in the bathroom, you know. I have to sort out that, you know. Plus they don't know we have look at other things to do in our house, you know. See all the fridge be even freeze. You have to start out doing something, and I like say, now get here, you know, baby. You just now get the one there right now. You know me love the scene, man. A roadside with the point and make a scene, baby. Really?
Love can put your on my head.
But I know that baby, just hold out the man. You can sit by and go on a little bit. And I like say, now get here, you know. Everything alright, baby, man. The school, man.
Me want, a matter of fact, me no want it, me need it. And anyway, me no get it, me you go in a thing. If you think I lie, me I tell you, watch here. Tired of everything, looking at the place, eh? Looking at it also in the house there. Look at the place, eh?
Babes, you know if you go and say, you know, until you say everything alright, you know. Look how you're going out the road, baby. Things are just for take a little time now. I make sure you say alright, baby. Anything you ask, you go get it. Just calm down now, man. I know you didn't want to hear, man, but thing alright, man. Give me a little time, baby. And make sure you say everything alright for you. You hear that? Love the same way you do and you're going, you know. And if you're going somewhere.
From me come here, so, from me there with you, I saw the place there until now. And you still tell me if you hold on. Hold on power. You can't bother with them in your life, you know. I'm tired of
You're
it.
going so. You touch, you know.
No.
Everything alright, you know. Just give me a good time, now. Have a good faith now, you know. Yeah, move so. You know me love you. I just think kind of rough for me right now. I mean, I try, you know. So we just been able to turn now, so now, baby. Hold on. You take the file of the babes.
If you can't speak, I know, coming on, I'll come in here, girl, I'm calling.
Hello? Hello? Yes, sir. Why? Not really going good for me, I know, in my general. Everything I feel, you know, man. But I soon make a payment, man. I soon sort it out, yeah? Just give me a little time.
Why didn't you come and tell me that you have some problem?
Or sometime, you know, man, we have money, you know, full of pride, you know, man. Jaja.
Well, this is an organization, and either you come down to the bank quickly, or you're going to have to use your papers and leave some asset or something. So, do the right thing, okay, Mr. Coyle?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
3 months, I ain't not paying nothing for loan. Look at the place, you know, fix up. Worse, you go embarrass me up at station shop. You know, say a fool you take me for. Fool you take me for. Hold on, power. No, you take me for one big idiot. No, ramping. Look here. You see everything in here, so? Remember, say I feel me money buy it now. You know, not even this year you can't buy put in the house. So the dresser, the fan, and the chair over there, so plus me iron. Me come back for everything.
Me know.
No worry yourself. Let go me back.
You really just do that, baby?
Take people for
You love you, baby, you move, sir.
Love. Excuse me. Go love yourself right now. A better life you want.
Sandy, really?
I
You
need
really
a
going?
better life.
Sandy,
Bye.
where you go? Sandy! Yeah, God. Sandy, baby!
What a good man. Yo, me Jay, what go on? Alright, yeah man, you can get the bima with the music with them man, but about the next half hour, you know, because they are car wash, you understand? Yeah. Don't worry yourself man. There's a 2 errands for run, collect 2 rent from some people in the park, right? So. And then man, check back on it and shout you. Alright? Alright, my general. Yeah. Good morning, Fallon. You have the money?
Rent money again, sir. As me pay rent who?
Listen, my man, me tell you, I'm going to change the rent date.
Me no.
Your whole rent. Like, me never tell you, I change the date. Fallon, me tell you, I move up the date. So you have to pay rent now. Did I not tell you? It's like I didn't tell you. I tell you that the rent will be earlier for this month.
Me want to go, that's why I put it at the last of the month. So every last of the month, me pay the rent, so me have time for the rest of the month if you can find the money.
Are you a rent me place or me a rent you place? You need to look into that.
But me still have to figure out how to pay the rent, how to get the money in.
I don't busy though you get the money, Fallon. You just get the money in time. I'm just gonna give you 2 more days.
2 more days, sir.
2 more days, Fallon.
2 more days no work so with rent.
You know
And business place, people don't rent place like that. Plus, you have me in the back. Yes.
That is for security, Fallon. You have no reason to go there. That is not your concern. That is my security. Listen, my man. You're falling short, you know. You're really falling short. And I see people coming in and out. You're making money and you're falling short.
That means you're watching my business.
You have to watch me place.
You're watching my business. Mother Jesus. 2 days.
Alright.
2 days.
Don't worry yourself. Today I went.
You figure out it, you know.
Today I Tuesday. You see by Thursday, just make sure you have the money.
I will find it. By the hook or the crook, I will find it. I can't take the stress and problem with them rent. Them are dirty landlord.
Can't bother with them tonight.
Not even want to fix up the place. Dirty landlord. No, that not include tip. 15 for acrylic. Yeah. Current gone in, I no hot water. But unless you want the cold water, I still work with it, but you know you want your little pampering. Missy J. I don't tell Missy JPS. I swear say I cut them a cut off like oh me Bridget. I not run this a time, you know. Me never did run this a time, yeah. So I go and good girl in the pan today. So you not do no nails today, no money, no pay nothing.
What's that? You know, say I want money, me come borrow from you do.
Borrow money, you know them tell me. A pandemic, this is a pandemic, woman. You know them tell me you want borrow money.
I know me broke.
So if you borrow it, how you pay back?
I find a way to try to pay back money.
How you find a way? And you not work. So mama, you know no man?
Well, you know, so I have a look at one link still, but I just see just come and go and I do look at thing and something, but
Alright, you have a link. Let me tell you one style. It's when you and him get together again. Tell him say you're pregnant. Tell him say you're pregnant. And the man nowadays they don't want no pitney, you know. You hear me say? So just him will give you one money if you go dash away. So you just use that the money there and do what you want to do. You hear me say? Because I don't have no money for any of them tell me a pandemic. The pandemic act. You have to know if you choppy line. You look so good. Because you look good like Naomi Campbell. Walk. If you start drive.
You know, say a true girl. You know, say a true, I'm going to try, man. I'm going to try.
Do it. It will work out. You have to work.
I don't know, say the thing that I can't check off a door, but they say not happy and something, so. We will link up, man. I just, you know, never go.
Alright. See how
Alright, later.
Later. Can't take them and sit here. Landlord come. Girl come. Friend come. I can't take it. Too much problem. Too much pressuring. But they are going to...
Jaja.
Yeah, brother.
Listen, my day, I'm Jay.
No, you know what the item when you bring up the sale, brother. I want good piece of food to get feet in that, but you know what the piece of money they have to do. You don't know yourself, alright, that's how we go. You see another way, okay, I make a piece for food, you know, but, yo, whenever the man call link, no man, I would talk about this, you understand?
I'll link you later, sir.
Alright, brother.
Yeah, we Sunday I come for now. Hey babe. What happened to you? Make a sound so.
Yeah, girl, you don't know, say me left the one Kyle him. Me have to left for me pack up my things and left, man. Pay things are going.
You and Kyle.
How are you there?
When your peppers are going normal, which way they? Then forward now. Forward man, forward. Me there. Alright, do what you do man. Forward, me there. You can't tell me now when they go on with you and Kyle. Just come. Alright. That's weird.
Sunday, wait there. I don't know how to go.
Yeah, don't know how now go.
You know, say there's something you want to buy down there for me do, but I want to come up here, so back.
You know, so I think I come back up here right now. Nothing so at all. By the way, what you did want?
Pregnancy test.
Mama?
Pregnancy test.
For yourself?
Yeah.
Give me money.
Sandy! Come! How are you go? You don't have my peppers, girl. So tell me now, girl, what happened? Your son terrible on the phone. I mean, no, that's not you. What go on?
You know, so I have to left the boy. I left him, man. I have to pack up my something and left this man.
Joke, yeah, make a kind of Kyle, you're doing something good. So, yeah.
Look here, that went good when the money did it. The money when did it when he might do that good. No money no did it again.
Girl, we'll have to. You must want something to drink.
Yeah, man, want cran water.
Alright, we'll have to.
Can't wash good, man. Yeah, man. I style like you take style, you know. Hey.
have money to pay the rent. Your life a pressure me right now, come next to me to go a bank or borrow one loan or something. And you hold up then you get on call. You put up on board. Somebody will come. Yes girl. What?
Actually, yeah, me I call tell say, you know, say me borrow your wig though, me I go in town go mash one crime and come back.
Really, that you ask me about girl, I can't take you wig and go on. Just take what you want and just go on. But I want important car right now, so yeah.
Yeah man, alright. Alright, cool.
Right. Yeah, my friend called me.
Come now, drink and tell me yours. But you know, come to think about it, be here all we have to say. And to be honest, you know, Sunday, me I tell you the truth, nobody begs.
So me can go on so.
Sound like say, the man did have everything, you know, remember say you used to tell me how at and all these things are money are run. But to me, it sound like as the money kind of they go low, you know how much you're ready to cut. Like a gold
Look
digging
like you not listen, or you not hear what me I say, good. You hear me just tell you say, actually you know, look here, you might see me, you know, and think say everything good. Recently, I pay mackerel the boy I feed me pan. Mackerel go, mackerel come.
They mean to tell me say, good up, Kyle, you talk so good about it. They feed you for mackerel.
Him same one.
And then, oh, so that's the reason why you don't make the guy horse, because you know me can.
But me couldn't care you come this so. You know what he said? You always tell me say you want to come know which part me live. And me never care. Girl, you don't want to see in the house. Shame.
Joke yeah, make a turn the Kyle you're doing something good, so yeah.
Right now, you look like say a sex you want him, want me sex for hungry belly, you know. Me no want no gas.
You're rough. But at least we know so when you got a party, you know if you go back go look no man. Because you see the nice, fine figure and you take up yourself boy you want that the man there now. See it there, swell on you.
So clear, yeah, you rub that
No man, you know what I mean, friend. But I truth you know me plain. You understand?
You know, me come to stay neither, you know, because I have to go back down with my people them. So me am going to make you know what is what between me and that boy there.
Nobody begs with me with that. But just when they talk my mind. But me know how the family things stay and the fact that you go live with man and all the wait all of that. Anyways, you guys your man you don't go live with man and sit now go back a family you one bag of drama out there for you. So if you want no link to no place for rent, we can make one link for you. Does it mean?
Alright, me call you, Fanny.
Okay.
Tap bad, someone. Tap bad.
Chaplain.
Ah, God. Yeah, man, be there. You say, be a C-star. Go on easy.
No see a long time I don't see you, don't want to say you know.
You want to see me?
Come here, no see me miss you. I want to see you. From what day me I think about you and so.
You see, you miss me. Alright, so look here now. So just meet me in the town. Meet me in the town. Yeah, me pick you up, honestly.
Alright, cool.
Like, something not going on in the idea, yeah. But me wanna sweep me up so. No, let me kiss.
Can't bother no man. know something, miss you.
Oh man.
Me don't want to go up your hotel, but it's too far right now. We can go to the beach park.
Yeah, of course.
You know, say, a long time me and you link on something, but right now I don't even know how me did miss you. Come like you starve me out.
Oh, so not really that man. I'm busy, you know. What does it mean?
I can't do something right here now, right here, sir.
Of course. Right now. And that's me put this condom here. Shit, the condom boss.
Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Ooh! Look who's awake! Soon take out your misery, yeah? Like a diamond.
You're not too late. You're not too late for your stop. You can't bring you in and make you get somebody and make them get help for you. You need help. You need to talk to somebody. Like, we don't know what really go down in your past or whatever. But you need
Shut
help.
up. You don't know nothing about me. You really need to shut up. Brother.
You're sick. You need help. Tini, you need to get help. You're not going to get away with this. Me, I tell us you're not going to get away with this.
Shut up, shut up. Help. Meaning help. And you need help to stay you in a room. Come like I can't see.
You just, we can't even imagine the amount of turmoil we are going inside of your head right now. And you are refused to get help, just going to make it worse.
Boy, turmoil. You know, I feel like we get electrocuted while wet. Alright, so. I'm gonna try to experiment. Let me show you what her might be.
Ah, girl, how you do? Yo, move fast.
I tell her say, yo, you see if I need one thing, as a big man just ring sitting in a, yo, you make man a pre some way and hell.
Virgin, me no make no money, what you have me to do now? No money no make, man.
Say, yo, man, yo. You know, say all the while I do this thing, big man, I'm a pretty certain way right now. Because I tell you the truth, you know, you know, say, yo, man, I'm rich, you know, Virgin, as a man, you know, I don't have no money, you know, also me I try, also my thing, you know. Alright, now I make man pre some way, you know, to do all some things.
Yes, sir, I don't know how, I don't like how you behave, man. Too little time, nothing no move, you behave, so, man. Oh, man, you don't have to behave, so, brother.
I didn't even know say me
Yo,
come and
whip.
go empty me clip in your face and a response for me in a big man. I tell you the truth, you know.
Whip.
As a virgin, you know. That's
Yo,
so
whip.
nice, man. Yo, mama. Oh, yeah, man. Me there, man. Come on, peel. Yo, brother. I bet you go on where you go in a big man. I tell you the truth in a big
You
man.
have to go and say no.
I bet you go on where you go. Yo,
You
man,
have to
if
go on
you
like
just
that,
go
right,
on where you go, big man.
Easy.
So you say you need no more, I pray.
No, say I'm right thing me come for do.
Don't know say you 50 grand no more.
Whip. The regular customer, you can't do me look better.
Don't know say you can't take nothing off like business or business, you know. You know it's risky, you know. Don't know, you know. If police catch me with this, you know much money. You know, long more that I have to spend in a prison, see me for this. I have to know where business going, you know. You see me? So 50 grand take you or leave you, you know, this way there, you know.
Alright, give me. Give me 15 ounce. Same like last time.
Right. I'll go for your stuff, don't. Yo, crazy. Yeah, man. You know, I said that me there chill dog and he come check me till they come buy sitting off of me dog. But I see him be here, say I mash up down so you know, dog. Yeah, man, you see him be there, we want it for about 6 or 7 murder boy, them police boy, they want her for dog. She a mash up the place, you know, dog. Yeah, man. Right now, dog, I'm not going to one, but that girl in my place, you know, dog. I make it dog, they know it thing going on, brother. Because God knows, you know, brother, the woman is normal, you know, dog, I tell you, you know. And she a mash up the whole over, so, you know, brother, and I look at she
yeah, I go an idea in a place, yeah. No star. I can go on for me an idea. Lighter, yeah. Yeah, biscuit sweet there. Yeah. Yeah, man, everything there. Yeah. Yeah. I come like say what I'm sardine and got I was see it on so I jack down I walk. Yeah, man, everything look like man can chop a food. Yeah, that's it.
I go and tell him, you look like you're happy, we're here about.
There, man. There, I go and hold it, you know.
Come like I get some money, man, or something.
No, sir, you know, say, I don't really not like that. But, don't know, say, I bring in one little gift for me in the morning, you know, so I feel good, you see me? Yeah, man, I buy a decent fridge, come drop in the house there.
Wow, things are going.
I will tell you, cold water can't drink, and oh, I will tell you. I say, I heard,
Anyways,
man, I say things set, you know.
Pepsi more, you know.
You say hot or cold?
Come on, cold one.
Alright, man. So I go on.
How much is the feet again?
150.
$100 me have, you know.
Alright, 150 for Joseph, you know, my friend. John, you know. So me I deal with, you want me, you know. I really want you to take you as a habit and you trust him for early morning, you know, you don't know, I ducks not broke yet, you see me?
Alright, sorry about that still.
Yeah, I see alright.
Alright, let me come back with some money, man.
Alright.
Just send it on.
Alright. You tell your boy, you come back with money, you come more a fool, you take man for. They sit down and do all the while, I come short my money, I come talk about look more. I come take man to idiot. I go on, you know, my dog.
Bad man want to say, be a police don't say no bad boy.
Eh?
Come like at the whole up station up there, say, brother. At first, I see too much police in my place, bad boy. Come like something going up there, say, bad man. Shot fire? You ain't no shot about the place?
You no shot fire up the road.
Bad man, right now, I'm going easy back right there, saying, because I'm not going to say, make them board all and pull me, you know. See, once me get all the new work right now, you don't need no police, bad boy.
Don't worry, man. Yo, just go and block Sessa, man. Everything good, man. Yo, I just go to the career road, them go and check some man up the road, you see me? Yeah, man, them soon clear off up them, man. Don't worry about them, man. Just go and hold the other, brother. You see me? So when you say I go on now, you see they on a new work.
Until you say out when the hotel me get a piece of work there, my brother, and thing are going good, still in a bad man. You see a piece of hustling can go on in a, you see? Yeah man, people them love off the weed up there, especially the white boy them in the dog. Swear you a piece of food can make right now is a link more right now, I can get eat some weed regular, you see me?
Yeah.
Right now I did it so the thing take off my G.
Yes, brother, man. Then yo, you don't know what's right now, you link the right as a G. A right place to come, you know.
So yeah, say brother?
Yeah, man, a right place to come, G, man. A right place to come, right now, link their foot. Any amount you want, any kind you want.
You have a link? What kind, yo, how the price them steak? Right now, I want a good £1.5 or so to bring in, brother.
Oh, yeah, say, man, right now we have a lemon kush, we have a pineapple kush, we have a regular herb, same way. We have all of them on different levels, you see it. But here, why pray now, in general, me have to go make a link, you see me, towards the pricing of rare and forget in the amount where you want, because you know really their foot so like that, you see me?
Yo,
yeah.
You know, so the lemon kush me the board them at talk about when I hotel the brother. Around when we could have come pick up back that?
Yo, you could have get piece, you know. Yeah man, you can get piece by a little more.
£1.5, how much you know?
You want no, £1.5, it will run out about, £1.5 will run out about 250,000.
Alright then.
£1.5.
Simple much that man, you can make back that man.
By 5 o'clock.
Alright.
Just come check me by 5 o'clock. I make a phone call right now, I make a dog drop you on my foot. You hear?
Alright then, it's a couple hours from now.
By 5 o'clock, man, that's at least.
Yo, cuz.
That's guidance and protection. Are you right place, G?
Alright. You see how old, man? You know say I'm a general.
Yo. How you come, man? Remember say boy then you out there, you know, man. But I go too fast, brother. Go and humble, man.
Yo. Look at them gun, man. Look at them cut, man. I go for that thing there, you see me?
Alright.
Go for a piece of brick and come back. Remember you said 5 o'clock, you know?
Yeah, man, by 5 o'clock, man. How are you, man?
See how old,
by 5 o'clock, me J, man.
Oh, hello. I didn't realize someone was around there.
Yeah, man, me there, man.
Can you sell me a bottle of water?
Yes, hot or cold?
Room temperature.
Room temperature. Miss, you're not from around here?
I'm actually from around here, but I flew out when I was like 8. So, I'm just coming back. But I like your shirt. Are you from around
yeah,
here?
man, thank you. Yeah, I'm from here now. Right here, right over there, somewhere live. Yeah, man, I just operate in the shop, so, you know. Yeah, man.
Oh, so you managed to all this by yourself? Like, don't you have a girlfriend or someone that helps you with all this? Because this looks like a lot of work.
Yeah, man, I have a girlfriend, man. And I tell her, say, as I mentioned, girlfriend. I tell her right now, I don't know what would I do without her. Yeah, because I tell her right now, she mean the world to me, my friend. Yeah, man. But you want now, you see shop part not really hard to run. Yeah, that part not really hard to run. We just buy the stock of the buy and put in back of the put in. And you know what I mean? Make sure so we don't dash a little profit, you know? Yeah, man.
So, like, I really love and care for your girlfriend. Oh, right over this is you live, right?
Yeah, man.
So, y'all don't live because I don't really see nobody come down here.
Yeah, man, you know my girlfriend don't really live here. No, she just come and go. You know what I mean? But you don't know she there most high times. But based on work, you know. Yeah, she have to depend on the outskirts.
So when she gone, you know, me sorry, you know, feel lonely. Like, the house not lonely, you know, and like a company.
Yeah, man, you don't know, saying as man, little feelings have to take away and all them things, you know, but you want now. When time I feel them feelings, I just video call her, you know, or I text her, you know. And so we just link wire that same way. You understand? Yeah, man, and just make everything run normal. So anyway, I never get your name, miss.
Oh, sorry, my bad. My name is Tina. But I didn't get yours either. What's yours?
Yeah, Kevin, my name, man, Kevin. You can just call me Kev. So anyway, Miss Tina, you want anything more in our shop? Is there anything more there what you want?
Mr. Kev, if I tell you what I want, it wouldn't be nice because from what you're saying, it look like somebody have it locked already, or should I say under control.
Well, you know, say, me try to get, you know, say, me I try to understand. Me not really understand what you say. Serious for me.
Well, let me give you my glasses because clearly you can't see what I'm trying to say here. Kev, is it Kev, right?
Right.
Kev, from coming here, I can't stop but admire you. And we start to a string of it, you want.
Alright, I tell you, Tina. Tina, you see them was right? Jano, Tina, I tell you, so no, you're nice and all that. There's no disrespect to you. Yeah, because you're looking awesome, but yeah, I have my girlfriend. And I tell you the truth, I don't really have a disrespect her, you know what I mean?
Okay, Mr. Kev, I heard you loud and clear. But in case a girlfriend forget what she has, then, you know, I'm here. But I can assure you, this won't be the last time you see me. Girlfriend or not, me, I forget the boy. Look at me, I'm going to talk about girlfriend. Girlfriend or not, me, I forget the boy.
Oh, my phone. That's my phone, man. That's I want to let me left you over yard, man. Okay, you know, so now I forgot for you. Oh, yeah, something left it. To that. But that's more time I'm gonna call her, man. I have to hurry up and call her back right now. Nah, man, I left the phone over the yard, yeah. Out of the shop, I reach and by me reach out there, me then a little time I realize I don't see the phone, so I start look now and look over the whole place and I never see it. So me just say I take time and walk come over here, come look where I go on if over here I left it. So when I see them, I call them, and that's why I say I have to shout you back. Yeah? Nah, man, which woman? Nah, be man, no bother with them thing there, man. No bother with them thing there, man. Which woman you talk about, man? I tell you, say over the shop, I walk go. Woman over there. Say me there, woman over there. Yo, no bother with them foolishness, man. No bother with them thing there, man. And then sit there, I can't deal with the thing, you know. Yeah. Nah, man, no bother with them things, man. You see why where you push off for me now? Over foolishness. I mean, I tell you, say I left the phone over here. Eh, yo, you want now, No bother with them things, man. A joke thing you depend, you know, man. Because right now my head kind of hard for a morning thing, you know. You come with them advisor for me, you know. A different thing you depend. I not really depend on vibes, you know. Hello? Hello? So I wish you to hang up on me. So all them are sitting here know me, I tell you, you know. All them are sitting here know me, I tell you, you know. You see all them are vibe, you know. My friend, you could have killed me.
You know, I don't know what come over me a while ago, but what happened a while ago definitely wasn't me. So, I think we should like forget about that and let's have a drink.
Listen, I must tell you the honest truth, I don't really drink.
Really? Like, come on. I never come good a while ago and right now I feel as if I come back now I can get like a next chance. You give a next impression. I just want to drink. Have you just say you're in a good mood, so just take a drink. I just want to drink. Come on. I try to redeem myself from whatever I just said a while ago. I just one drink now kill you.
Yeah, you can't have a one drink still, yeah? You can't have a one drink. I know him feel too hot still for real, so that would have can help to cool me off.
Yay, that is great. I don't know what you guys drink, but ooh, I see tequila. Give me some of the tequila.
So you say I chase it with an miss?
Nope, on the rocks.
Rocks, alright. Boy, may I tell you something, my friend? Trust me, I'm glad you kind of come down on a level, you know. Because, boy, I told you come in for me not too long. I swear, say, I get timid.
You know what I'm saying? I down there and I was like, he must have wonder how just come on upon him so.
Yeah, I'm serious, say you up to something.
That's not me. If you will go to somebody and tell somebody, say, me come down here and talk like that or act like that, straight, then what I tell you to stay alive because I swear to God, that's literally not me.
Yeah, but I'm happy to know, say, you know, you change up the vibe and things because right now, I tell you the truth, I have one woman there and she is not too good, so I can't take on no problem, you understand? My woman nice, you know. Best to me, but yes, when it comes down to the woman part, I chip out. Yes, I'm not really run and joke there. You understand? Yeah. So I say you go on, Miss Tina. Where you go hard, man? You can't make you show me up, so man. Then I have to take one shot, to man. Where you go hard, man? I cannot take a shot. I cut your door, you know, but as I mentioned, high school. But ever tell you, say you look really, really young.
Yeah. Hear that all the time, but don't interrupt me, as I was saying.
Alright, sorry.
Exam and go drink, like with smoke, with drinks. You know this is going from long time. Now I'm gonna drink and talk about boys. And up to today there, everybody feels so we're seeing, like nobody at all. I mean, like literally nobody found out about anything.
Yeah, man, what you know, I give you our next instance, you know. You know, say, I go to school, you know, here what we do. Save up the lunch money, you know, and decide, say, you know, so we not go to school today. So yeah, we buy the entire Appleton, a big buckle them. Yeah man, we buy one big buckle of Appleton and one big buckle of Pepsi though. Yeah man, I tell you so what, we turn around a yard back, you know, I say I drinking for the day, you know. Half day with the round there, you know, every man junk, you know. We live across the road and I can't go over my yard, you know, not even my bicycle when I come over there, I couldn't take up, you know. Yeah man, and I saw my granny come catch me over there, you know. Junk like a bat, pay bad with me, of course. Take me up and carry me go over yard, what lick me get. And I tell my friend I'm not normal. I get licks until I wake. From that day I never junk again. God know. But we got to it man. Well, my friend, you see, you come in and say one, and I end up say one drink, and I see it there, and one drink left in there, you know.
I tell you, so sometimes fly when we have fun. But we can share that, because I want drink, right? So yeah, we can share that, but one tracer this time.
Are you yourself on the rocks? So, right, like it I get to you now. Alright, my friend, don't worry yourself. What you say? What kind of tea you say you want?
Orange juice. Come like this, I'm gonna lie with steel. Could you want a drink? All the time I can't go wash home. No, sir.
Christina, you want now, you know someone go hold a quick leak and come back.
Pour the juice before you leave.
Alright. That's alright?
Yeah.
Here you go. Soon come back. Yeah?
So,
I'm feeling relieved.
I saw your blood along.
Yeah,
You know how long you gone?
It's not really long, you know. But you have now, you know, so we have to leave for there and drink, you know. So.
Drink your one juice, man. I'm hungry.
That tastes different. Yeah, no. So good. I want me drinking ice and me feel. I want me feel someone me feel weak and free. Yo, our girl, how we putting a drink, give me? Eh? How we put? Help! Somebody help me! Help!
No, you're still alright.
So my girl, what you do to me? Just, when me there now. So my girl, what you do this
Shut
for?
up, man.
Eh? You mean, what you do this for? Money you want or what? Eh?
Shush. Stop it. Shut.
Yo, if I'm money you want, just tell me, make me give you no man. You don't have to do me so. Eh?
Yeah. That's supposed to come home for half an hour. Tie you up. No, full time. No, damn girl.
Which part? Where me there?
If you try to escape, no one will see you. If you try to scream, no one will hear you. If you escape, there will be serious consequence. Okay?
Oh, me there, you know, my girl. My girl, you don't know who you are dealing with, you know. You don't know who you are dealing with, you know. Yo, no matter of fact, you hear all the bike them out there saying that me tell no far me there from the road, you know. You better you take off all them off of me right now, you know. Go on about my business, you know. Cause right now, you know, I'm getting mad in here, you know. Yo, my girl, you make me get mad in here, you know.
Then brother, you're mad in a guan. You want to go anywhere you want to go, you guan. Can't come like something wrong with you, you can't see. You're blind? Look where me fright for. You know much man would I want me right now, and you are going like an idiot. From a come here, you're going like an idiot, like you don't want nobody, but I have a girlfriend, bro. Shut up. Plus, you have a lot of words to your man will get tied up by a girl.
My girl, me I tell you, you know, what you do with no hurty, you know. So me I do what you do no hurty right now, you know, foolishness you do, you know. So we say when you have me type person, nobody now come look for me. What you feel like, say me not know one. Eh? But if I'm police, they must have come look for me, you know, somebody must have come look for me, so you must know what you deal with. Yo, if I know money thing, man, here what you do. Just tell me what I go and tell me what me do, make me do it. If I money you want, girl, just tell me you want, me give you no man.
Bro, you're not understand, No money at all. Not in this word there. Yeah, what should I say? Help me. Brother, it's like you don't understand. You me want. But everything I got alright. You see, if I never did that play stubborn, in the first place, more than have you in our rooms. All of this is because I did that play stubborn. But don't worry. I don't have nothing for you, but most of all, you soon understand what will happen when all this over here. But most of all, we are good there.
My girl, you don't say you need help. Eh? You say something wrong with you. Eh? Imagine you have me as a tire, but you have me as a tire for. You know, say me I tell you say from you coming in the shop the first time, I kind of see say something wrong with you. Yeah man, God know me not trust you from the first time you come in the shop, you know. Yo, you better let me go, you know. Just pull up your rope and let me go. You hear? I come like something wrong. You say you want to go to doctor. You say something there.
Shut up.
What you mean for shut up?
What me say? Shut up.
Yo, you say you're getting crazy. You say you're crazy. Yo, you're a mad woman.
You know hear me say shut up. But want go doctor. Want go doctor way. Look how me a treat a good and you come talk about want go doctor. And then say when me get cross, you know, man. Don't, you better shut up and me have to deal with it or come deal with the rest.
Say right now, I just show me tie up, make you can't tell me them sitting there.
Tell me 5 o'clock. Dog, let me place. Tell me 5 o'clock. It's a far back 5 o'clock and him lock up. What the dog got, man? One left him there. The door open. Most of the girl him down with. Hello, mommy. General sit over there?
No, you know. Going up on the road, him go, you know, saying go make stock, you understand? So, he now come back about 2 to 3 hours. You want to leave a message or something?
I know says a little thing me and him for deal it still. I don't know if him tell you nothing still, but me circling back from 5 o'clock, you see me?
No, sir, he never said nothing to me.
Alright, you know, 5 o'clock gone and going to the shop open, so I wonder him so forward back.
No, sir, he now come back about 2 to 3 hours. Just have him to lock up the place, you understand?
Alright then, make a dog know some me circling, right?
Alright, we make him know what I'm going.
Make some link with some man in the dog. It's like a joke thing that it's more a lame up man thing, brother. Me forget. Wait. I'm gonna see her. I'm gonna come to the shop today, yo. Mama. Look at it. Slimmers, now you see her come from the shop today?
Yeah, what happened? Who you?
You know, say I come to the shop today. I see you earlier. I say, yo, I see if I try to find out if I have a link to the shopkeeper. And if it's circling back, I'm going out there and the shop locked. I say, I want one cat up there and I know, she tell me say I'm not dead. And she lock up the place. And then if I told me dress her or me look still, you see me, but when I trust her style, I feel like judge she try to judge me. I want to know if you have a link to him. Right now, me and him have some serious business and it's urgent. So that me want to know if you have a link to him.
No, sir, I don't have no link for him. But I'm a G. But I don't know if I have no woman up there. But I'm going to pass up this still.
Alright, so thanks, yeah, mama. Thanks. Yo, dog. General, I know some just come up by the shop and the shop lock, brother. Which part are they? Up in your yard.
I phone on the pan. Give me that.
Hello? Hello? Phone cut off. Call him back.